Good morning, good morning, good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, everyone. I hope and trust everyone's having a good day so far. Sorry for being late. Been a busy one today. Been a busy one, but we're getting dialed in here. We're going to have a good trading session and all that good stuff. Duane, pass me the remote, please. Is everyone feeling good today? Thank you, sir. Oh man, what a day. What a day. It's only 9 coming up on 9:30 almost. And I feel like I've been moving and grooving for a very long time now. So let's see what we get going on. I'm getting ready to pull up these charts here while I'm setting everything up. Let me get the trading computer ready. Alrighty. Got that good vibes going. I'm feeling good. Feeling good. Alrighty. All right. Let's connect these connections. I have not even looked at the market today. That's how busy I've been. So we're going to real time do these quick evaluations of the accounts, everything like that. See what we should be looking for live with you guys here. All right. There's that. We got 4 minutes to market open. I'm scrambling here. I'm sorry for the people on YouTube right now just watching me. I'll actually, let me throw the charts on for you so you could see some other stuff other than just me. Market's trying to move down. What a time to be alive. That's all I can say. Hopefully the music's good for everyone because it's good for me. I'm like, who's calling my son right now? He's only 4, you know. Man, get out of here. All right, so that was said. Duane, I need you to be quiet, please. Alrighty. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. Marking up my trading view right now. So we're currently above the VWAP. So let's keep that in mind. Whenever we're above that VWAP, we're looking for a bull flag to start. If we don't get a bull flag, that's okay. It ain't the end of the world, but that's what we're looking for first. All right, there's that. All right. Whew, finally. We're good to go. Hey, I'm on stream, bud. Alrighty. All right. As it sits right now, I'm probably going to be waiting for the first 15 minutes just to play it safe today. Good morning.
What's shaking, y'all?
Another day in paradise, Steve. Another day in paradise.
All right, yes. I just had some predator action in the backyard, so I had to set the trap. No, seriously, man. If you have a flock, that's your family.
Good morning, Moose. Market is open.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Morning, sir. Apex denied my payout, gentlemen.
Already? Usually it takes like 4 days for them to say, so immediately they're like, nope. What was it this time? Your first name starts with D.
Something like that.
You ate breakfast and you treated on some carbs.
So I'm not activating the other accounts with them that I have. Just craziness.
On a serious note, what was it?
They said I went past my 30% drawdown rule again, but they referenced a day that wasn't part of the 8 days of trading.
Did you put a ticket in for that?
No, because putting a ticket in with them won't go anywhere. So I didn't even try.
Yeah, that sucks. So they're not gonna give you your money at all?
Well, I could keep trading on it, trying to beat their little rule, but I feel like at this point, I should stop wasting my time with them, being real.
That'd be a good short to put out on YouTube, just like an informational thing.
Yeah.
That's
morning, fellas.
Morning, G.
Hey.
Morning.
Good morning. Sorry.
I know you got something. I know you got a little something, Duane.
No, I was rushing this morning. I just got on the charts.
Oh my God.
Like when I started today, I'm just getting on it. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Get out on it.
I was on the eval. I mean on the sim. Like I jumped in it. Like bro, I'm 2,300 already.
okay.
I thought you said $23. I'm like, are you gonna buy us breakfast?
2,300. But that's on the sim though. That's on the sim.
Oh wait,
Okay.
you got 2,300 before market or right now?
Before.
Before.
Happy about it too.
Nice.
Before.
Yeah,
Listen, it was going crazy. And I looked at the time, I'm like, oh shit. As soon as it went to 9:30, it hit this dip. I said, holy shit. Went down. I was like, oh my goodness.
yeah, the jab session is good.
But right now, you see it's on the up now.
Yeah, we'll see what we get. I'm not really touching it right away. Gotta get mentally right.
Right.
Because got some disappointing news this morning, G. Apex denied my payout once again.
For what?
They said I broke the 30% not consistent, 30% drawdown, 30% drawdown rule.
They playing, man.
But I'm thinking, because I have $4,500 in that account, so I'm gonna continue to trade it, get over like the 5,200 range, because at that point it goes up to 50% drawdown. So then they can't deny me even if I do break the 30 because it's 50%. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So going to try that. And I've been working from handling payroll stuff this morning for one of my businesses. So gotta get right.
Get right with God.
But
Right
good
with
news.
God.
Good news. Legacy Wealth Society is officially partnered with Tradeify.
Yes, sir.
LWC, baby.
LWS. LWS for the code.
Congrats.
So definitely excited about that. Actually, their team actually reached out to me. I got to respond back to them this morning because they're going to be giving us custom graphics.
Oh, cool.
So, yeah, I think just under $800 on one of my Tradeify accounts to request $1,500 from them. And that if I get that today, I'll be paid today by that. So,
yeah. Well, look, I would just recommend that you document these things because your wisdom going through these prop firms is invaluable.
Oh.
I feel like G's on the dance floor and getting it down. I feel like G's doing something we can't talk about in church.
This thing going crazy. I'm going crazy on my sim right now. just practicing because I know we gotta wait till 10 more minutes.
Oh man, are you fucking kidding me?
It's on the uptrend right now. We'll do a little dip. Right
Do a little dip.
No, woman. I'm not saying that you just gotta fuck anyone.
what?
What?
Whoa, we're on stream, sir. Calm it down.
Obviously.
Calm it down.
My popo makes
My
sure
kid's right behind me, okay? My kid's right behind me, Moose. All right?
Pero, that doesn't mean that, you
He
don't have
really
to
loves
choose
those
them.
bear
Just
markets.
understanding for both of you. You feel me?
I'm muting him. He's on a phone conversation.
You got to.
Hey, yeah, he really liked that last candle. That's all I took from that.
Oh,
Like
come on.
easy is trading with us.
Go up or go down.
Alrighty. When I read that email this morning from Apex, I just like, man, I feel like smacking them.
Well,
Because-
I mean,
They
and
on
the
that
thing is,
They on that.
Uh,
Yeah.
on a serious note, like last time it took him like 8 days, and this time it was like literally like ricocheted as soon as you sent it. So,
Well, I rather that. I do appreciate that way more.
Absolutely, but hear me out, sir. The thing is like the fact they pull it off so quick, it was like they're never gonna like allow it in the first place. Like they might be having some financial difficulties if they're trying to like finagle out of payouts. You got that money fair and square. Most people bonk those accounts. So it's just like, they're going after the winners, and nobody has a chance.
Yeah.
Listen, I'm mad for you, Duane.
Hey,
So
that's
this month,
everyone, man.
this month alone, I'm gonna have to do a whole YouTube video on it probably. This month alone from Apex, I got denied $6,000.
You pretty much making me want to stay away from Apex.
Well, that's why I never recommended them to you guys because they have so many rules that I know for a fact I never broke it the past 8 days because I was never in drawdown. And they reference a date outside of the 8 days that I traded.
I mean, the thing is, like, it's just one of those things. You got to reach out because they're trying to screw like the winner. I'll say that again. Legacy Wealth Society is Apex. We don't need Apex. We can go anywhere.
Oh, we're already partnered with Tradeify, so
We're good.
Legacy Wealth Society is the Apex.
My only thing with Tradeify. My only thing with Tradeify is just the activation. That's my only thing.
Well,
Other than that,
this would be my recommendation for you, right? If you feel confident in passing an eval, just grab a growth account. The growth account, there's no activation. You just pay a little bit more for it.
Oh, okay.
Or just start doing funding ticks.
But
That's
didn't you
what I'm
say,
doing.
didn't you
Yeah,
say,
I like funding. I'm thinking about the funding ticks though.
but didn't you say the growth one you have like it's more stringent, so you can't be a sloppy 20% as opposed to 30 or something.
No. So everything's still the same on the growth account,
Okay.
but they have a daily loss limit.
Okay.
So say you lose $1,200 trading,
Yeah.
you're locked out of that trading that account for the day.
Okay, gotcha.
So it's kind of a good thing because it cuts you off from over trading. It makes you come back the next day.
Oh, just have
That one
the
has a
contract.
shorter. That one has a shorter percentage, right? Like whatever it's called.
No, it's still the 30% or 35%. The only ones that have the lower percentage are the like lightning fundeds and all those.
Oh, okay. So the growth is still 30%.
Yeah, the 35 or whatever
Yeah.
it was. So 35%. You can still pass that one in a day. It passed the eval. Yeah, that's what I've been doing recently, so that way I can avoid the activation fee. Because I know I could pass it, you know what I'm saying? So for me, it's not, am I going to pass it? Maybe. Like, I know I could pass the growth account. All right. Let's see if we build out a bear flag. We got 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes for this opening range to be completed here. Patiently waiting. It's crazy to say though, gentlemen, that I had $6,000 denied this month from APAC.
Well, you need
which is
to
crazy.
Do, like I would recommend that you do a video on it, and you also do like a short on it, and then reference the other one because that'll get a lot of people's attention. They'll learn about your prowess and stuff. They'll learn about the community through that. That's searchable.
Yeah, no, I'll definitely do that. And I was looking at my like stats, everything like that with them. I put in over, I believe it's 7 or 8 payout requests. Only two requests were actually paid.
See,
So
they got some fund manager that's like trying to like steal from everybody. That's not good business.
Well, a lot of people talked about that previously. That everyone's always getting denied. Put it that way. It's just weird. Just weird. I'm still going to trade it, but it's no longer going to be one of my main things I'm trading anymore.
I would just trade and sun down those accounts, like, and then like and if they deny it again, then you do another video. Deny it again, big, with your face like Macaulay Culkin in Home Alone. Just words on the screen on a thumbnail. Seriously.
Yeah.
Don't do the Home Alone face. So I was just.
No, bud, not right now.
I can't believe that like a possum's trying to steal my eggs.
That's not good.
Well, it's not good for him. Like the pearl of a great price. You better like plan on you're all in, bud.
All right, less than 2 minutes for this opening.
No, I'm sending them to your house because you love them.
Send them over.
Less than 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes left.
Oh man. You have chickens at home?
Yeah, I have like chickens, ducks, and we grow a lot of our own food. So
that is awesome. Do you sell it?
Well, not at this point. We're kind of just like encapsulating the family. So we grow crops. I mean, just kind of like we have a garden, but we really like harvest from it and stuff. So
Nice.
yeah, we started during COVID and never looked back. So it's just like, we even like made an aquaponic system and put a tilapia in it, grew it out, and then harvested them. So
That's awesome.
yeah, I don't have to go to public.
Oh, that's crazy.
Is
I
there
closed that trade and instantly. That's trash. That's trash. It did exactly what I thought it would, but I didn't want to hold it too much longer.
Is there such thing as Easter chickens? That they lay different color eggs?
Easter eggers. It's called
Easter egger. Yes.
Yeah, if you look it up, they'll do like the funny colors, like they'll do like a blue and a green.
Yes. I thought that was fake.
Oh, so and then there's the people that have like the full rainbow thing of it, because you can get chickens that will lay all different colors depending on the breed, but
Yeah. Sorry, my cat and my dog are crazy. Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat.
you have a cat and a dog, and he's got a wolf in the back. He was talking to her earlier. He's like, no, I'm just kidding. Moose sounded like a rap song before on the stream. It was like, what's going on?
My cat is gangster. He will beat up anybody. I tell everyone, if you bring your dog to bite me, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my cat.
Guys, the cats will do some crazy stuff. Where I used to work when I was in television, there was they had a boxer that ran around, and one of the cats that would try to attack it, and the cat would just scratch the hell out of its face, and then it would be and just go after it, man. It was crazy.
No, cats are dangerous. He almost left my dog blind. He scratched him in his eyes.
Oh wow.
Cats are crazy.
Yeah, cats are.
Yep,
crazy.
mommy's here.
Wait, your son's there?
Yeah.
Put him on the camera. Listen, if you guys haven't seen his son has commercial hair.
I've seen his son on there on the street.
I can't see you.
No, he just walked. He just walked off.
He would say,
I see the sun.
Listen, he has commercial hair.
Commercial hair.
I swear to God, he's the best hair in the world. I kid you not. Right, Duane? Every time I see him, I'm like, you gotta put him in the commercial.
Yep.
Gorgeous kid. Duane wishes.
Listen, I'm living through him these days with that hair, so living through him.
yeah, you might come back. You might like all of a sudden you would go retro and like grow it out.
Retro.
Look, I'm white as the day is long. So when I came up, the only guys that had shaved heads were like psychos. So and now I see it all the time because people just get the male pattern stuff going. But
All right, done trading on this one. 660 put in this Apex account.
Hold on. How did you get 660? We just got on, and we weren't going to wait till a certain time.
It's 947, sir.
It's 947 now.
Oh, okay.
Tighten up, Moose. Tighten up.
I know.
and I do have like a slightly different schedule today, so at some point I might drop off, but I'll be here as much as I can.
Yeah.
Might have to come off and then check back in. It's a birthday weekend's coming up, so
Okay.
you can plan it.
Yep. Today may be an early day for me as well, actually. I gotta get with my management team, all that stuff today, so I'll be running around.
I gotta be out here no later than 10:20. So like in 20 minutes, I gotta go.
I gotta talk to Moose about his cat. I'll be right back.
Let me send that. Did I send that email already?
We're at a whole number now.
Yeah, I'm chilling. I'm just vibing up. No rush for me today. Going to put some money in my Tradeify accounts next. All right, so I did something cool. I had to actually open up a whole new account with Tradeify.
Oh, to incorporate their new as being legacy wealth, you mean?
For the discount code, everything like that, I had to create a new account with them.
Oh,
so I did that, but now I just have to add the new credentials because I bought another account yesterday to activate that account. So let me put these credentials in here once they load.
So basically the growth account, the only reason why you say the other one is if you're gonna tilt it, it just costs less money to lose, like you're paying less.
Yeah.
So that's the benefit. But the other one, if you're trading through the accounts in a reasonable time, you could just go growth, and then when you activate, you're just there.
Yep. Oh, WS. Tradify. All right. We'll see if that connects. Ooh, we good. Yes.
I don't know what that was about, but I'll go along with it.
No, I just connected the new account on Ninja, so I could actually trade that one a day too. Trade that growth account. Popping out of that 15-minute range right there.
I see that.
We always pop out and come right back in, so don't go bullish right away. We are above that VWAP, above that 21 EMA. Trying to get above this 15-minute range as well. Let me see. We got a pivot point up. Whoa.
Oh.
Hello. I was going to say we got a pivot point up at 811.
Don't worry about that. Man,
alrighty.
Their butts, they're like, okay, it's going out of 15-minute range. Let's go long. Boom. There you go.
Wow. Alrighty.
There goes your account. Suck off.
I don't like moves like that because there was no news.
Guys, I honestly think that, yes, our trading is cool, but we got to record certain things that are said on here because they make me laugh. Like, well, I'm sure they make everyone laugh. Like Steve's sucker. Like that's gotta be like, you gotta use that in a sound or something. Like, something goes wrong, sucker.
All right, so we're testing this 21 EMA. If we lose this 21 EMA, I see us getting back down to that VWAP.
Boy, it shot down there like a rocket, man. Jeez.
Want to see we build out a bear flag? Not trying to go short until we get below the 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart.
Agreed. I wonder what came out. Like if Trump just tweeted something or.
Yeah, I don't like see that's that stuff I don't like to see.
Yeah,
Only
I was gonna say I was actually on just because I put on sometimes I watch a chart and it did it, and it was like 2 something. It was just like going along in the background, and all of a sudden out of the corner of my eye it was just like,
yeah,
okay, something happened.
We'll go back.
Let me get some lines. Trying to do everything possible, keep me out just taking trades just to take trades a day. I know you guys don't ever have to deal with that, but
No,
I do.
You know what I'm saying? Like you said, you're not a robot. I'm a robot.
Still haven't gotten below that 21 EMA yet.
No, it's acting as support all the way right now.
I see an uptrend.
Until we get above that 15-minute range.
Yeah, we doing don't diddle in the upper middle. Because if I say it's in the middle, Dwayne's gonna say, "Well, actually, we're not in the middle, but we don't diddle in the upper middle." You want to use like a football field, like Dwayne will say it's at the 20-yard line. We're gonna go to the 20-yard line.
Let's see if we build out a flag here.
To be honest, I think I personally want to see this current candle, this 9 o'clock candle, close bearish, and then that to me that'll tell me it's a retracement candle, and we'll shoot up.
Okay.
But let me stand up because I want to press some buttons. Let me stand up.
Just waiting for either a breakout to the upside or we drop below this 21 EMA.
Well, look at those wrinkle bars, man. That's insane.
This may be our bear flag right here. Want to get through that 21 EMA and take a short. For target would be the VWAP.
And what is the VWAP?
VWAP is down at the 654 level.
Tap in the VWAP. Testing.
All right. Close that. That was did not get the follow through. So extremely annoying right there. And I just soft breached this account. This is one of the growth accounts. So I think I could do like one more trade on it possibly, or I maybe actually be locked out now.
Watching paint dry.
Pretty much.
It just turned into a blade on Dwayne's trade right there. It's just like, I'm just gonna keep rising.
We dropped below that 21 EMA. I was targeting the VWAP level. Didn't get the follow through. It happens. But looking at the 2 minute, like right now, there's not really a flag over there. Getting closer and closer to that high of the 15-minute range.
I'm getting closer and closer to 10 o'clock.
Yep, 2 minutes. Good call out. I was not looking at the time there.
And then we also have that whole number that's in play because we're like there, so kind of a weird place to be.
It probably may shoot up.
I love that. Gee, it probably may shoot up. It probably may. Let's do it.
I see it's over this EMA.
We got these long wicks on these candles though, for the selling pressure.
What does that mean?
That means the bears are trying to keep the price down.
Yeah, look at the 5-minute candle and the 2-minute candle. Especially the 2-minute, man.
40 seconds.
And then we're consolidation time.
It's probably gonna look. I think it's gonna shoot up.
Well, I'm holding. I need some good momentum.
That much.
10 o'clock.
Ooh.
That's why we weren't trying to be in a trade. Those whole time frames always market acts weird. There's that crazy push. We're currently above the 15-minute range now. Let me actually...
I'm gonna say your next line. I kind of want to see a flag here, so we're confident in making a move.
All for it. All for the flag.
Come on, holler at your boy. Or not.
I'm hollering. I'm here.
Damn.
I was checking my other screen there.
I see how you guys see the shade you were throwing. And look, the sun's not even out of my house anymore. Oh, I'm just kidding.
Want to see a flag? We have the overnight high at 747, 747. Let's see if we build out a bull flag. Just tapped that high of the 15-minute range, came back down and touched it. Now just popped into the 15-minute range. I only got that's crazy. That's crazy. $15. Got $15. Just tap that 21 EMA right there. 475 right there. I need less than $400, maybe even like 300 to be real, to hit the 3K on this account. Request that 1500. Just waiting for a flag here. Just waiting. Are we going to touch that VWAP? Waiting for a flag at this point. Oh man. Is everyone green? How's everyone feeling right now?
No, I haven't jumped in yet. Like, I mean, green for the day, yeah, but I haven't done anything yet here.
Okay.
But I will in a minute.
Hey, best part about this is there's no rush. Want to see a bear flag print? We got the VWAP right below us now. 658 for that VWAP. And with us being so close, so I'm not trying to touch it until after we either push through the VWAP and build out a flag. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Look at this meltdown. Oh my God.
Just add a little bit more to the account right there. Last time we touched this close from yesterday, we shot up. So keep that in mind. We have a pivot point down at the 616 area, 617. Let's see how we act around the close from yesterday. There we go. That's it. I'm gonna have to log on to my Trade-Evate here to confirm, but I believe we just secured the $1,500 payout with that trade right there.
Nice.
Let me. Trade-Evate. No.
It's going down.
Hopefully, it talks dirty to me here in a second.
Talks dirty to you?
Because I only needed about 800. I put 975 in, so I know I should be good. But I just want you gotta log in on Trade-Evate. Well, actually, I don't even know why I logged in on Trade-Evate now, because I could have checked over here. Yep, we are at 53,101. So with that being said, I'm done trading that account. So I'll trade the new growth account from Tradeify that I just picked up. So, I know this Tradeify account is going to be a really good one. The number is 777. Just saying.
Nice. That's a great number.
So this must be and this is for the new account I created with Tradeify. For the people viewing on YouTube, use code LWS on Tradeify. Get the best deal that they got currently going on. We appreciate it. It's your way to support the Legacy Wealth Society without actually having to pay us for anything. Doesn't get better than that. All right, my Trade-Evate's not loading, which of course is not. You know what I'm saying? Like, want to double check, make sure we're good. we're not loading today.
Guys, I want to stay on, but
Go do what you gotta do.
yeah, I'd rather walk away with what I walked away with. I'm cool.
Hey, we'll
Definitely
take it.
intense.
Put in the discussion your success for the day. We gotta get more active on the community side.
Okay, sounds good.
Put in the discussion. We want to see your wins. We want to see your losses, so we can all talk about it and grow from it.
All right, sounds good.
All right, sir. Have a good day.
All right, guys. See you later, guys.
All right.
Was that right? Looks like we got another bear flag right on that pivot point. Don't know how I feel about that one. Like if we break to the downside, I'll take the short, but I want to get away from that pivot.
Yeah, man. Like, what my friend said, legacy wealth, the flags will repeat themselves. So.
They always do. That's the cool thing about them.
And I was talking, but I was muted, so.
It happens to all of us. It happens to all of
My
us.
wife came home and I muted it, and then I was like saying something like, "Why is he not answering?"
Get away from that pivot point. Oh my God. Going back, it's like a magnet. There you go.
Quick trade right there. 360 on this growth account. Want to get away from that pivot.
Right.
We did bounce out of the 15-minute range just by a little hair, and we popped right back into it. So let's wait to see what the market gives us here.
Right back at the pivot point again. Probably setting up to repeat itself again.
Let me try logging in on this computer, see if I could get on Trade-Evate. Because on my other computer, it's not loading.
So right now, it's still on the bottom of the 15-minute, right?
Yeah. Well, since we just pushed above that that pivot point right there. Yeah, that's fine. Launch anyways. Got rejected right there. Got rejected. Bear with me for the people on YouTube. Appreciate you tuning in. Trying to load my Trade-Evate real quick so I could check one of my accounts. There we go. Oh, let's not do that. No, it's not that one. It's not that one. There we go. All right, yep. So done trading that Tradeify account. We cleared it. Total P&L on that one for the day, 888. So we'll take that. So that one's officially able to take a payout on. And best thing about that is, I know it's actually they actually pay. I don't have to worry about getting denied.
That's with Tradeify, right?
Yeah.
All right, so
Because for me, with my trades with them, I was already below like 30% for my consistency already.
So pretty much, right? So right as soon as you get into your funding, like if you could just make like 150, like pretty much 5 days, that's still good, right?
Yeah, like they have the minimum you need to make 150 for 5 days.
Okay.
But it's like this. If you just focus on making $200 a day for 5 days, that's $1,000. And you do that, say you're only trying to take one payout a month from Tradeify. All you need to do is $200 a day to put $1,000 each week. So by the end of the month, you could lock in your $1,500 payout and you'll have $4,000 in your account by the end of the month before you request the payout.
Okay.
There's so many different ways to beat the system, so to speak, where, yeah, there's so many different ways. My whole goal is just to decent profits each day, come back the next day.
So right now, is it on the bottom of that 15-minute, right?
Yeah. So we're back in the 15-minute range now, but if we keep pushing down, our first target is going to be down at the 539. 539.
539?
Yep, 539. Welcome to the stream on YouTube. Welcome, guys. Let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're new, welcome. If you're showing up with us every day, glad you're back. I just locked in a $1,500 payout from Tradeify. That's one of the prop firms that we trade with. And if you want to get an account with them, use LWS. That'll give you the best discount available that they have. Let's see if we build out this bear flag. Looking at that 5 minute though, that 5 minute is showing a lot of buying pressure on that wick. So we're pinned underneath. Well, Pawn, welcome to the stream from Kentucky. That's crazy. I have a buddy that lives in that area. Hope you enjoy the stream. You'll hear other voices as well other than my own. Those are the members of our private trading community. And you guys get the fly on the wall where you can hear what's going on in the community without being part of it. So welcome, sir. Welcome, welcome. Or female. Can't see your picture from here. It's small on the screen. But yeah, so for me, fellas, I'm really going to focus on probably just Tradeify at this point because I've had over like $10,000 denied by Apex.
Damn, bro, that's crazy.
Yep, no panic selling yet, but whenever we hit all-time highs, Pond, the market always comes down. So if you go back to some of the playbacks, you'll hear me talking about we gotta come down eventually. We can't always be going up. And the way we trade, we make money if the market's going up or down, so it doesn't really matter for us. So we had that bear flag print right there, everyone. Let's see if we get some good follow through, because I'll probably take another short here. Only if we have the momentum for it. Don't want us coming down, popping right back to that 15-minute range. Let's see what we get. But I'm happy. Secure that $1,500 payout with Tradeify today. So going to the weekend, getting paid by Tradeify. That's a nice little weekend. That'll cover my steak today from Fishbones. G, are you getting funding, some more funding ticks, or what's your plan?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some. I plan to get some today. I'll probably get like 1 or 2 more today because that's. I rather be on that. The funding takes a little bit more.
Yeah.
But without the activation fee.
Mm-hmm.
But pretty much with both.
Yeah. Like for me personally, I like having a couple prop firms I'm trading with, so that way you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. You know, that's why I trade a couple of them just to play it safe. Because like I said, I'm not trying to be relying on just one company. Very true. Very true. When you're at the all-time highs. I always get nervous though, Pawn, because for me personally, I'm not trying to buy at the top and then the market reverse. And then I don't want to be the one getting squeezed. So we try following the community. We try following a strategy I put together. But when we were at all-time highs, I was nervous each and every day almost, only because I'm like, when's the reverse going to happen? Because when the reverse happens, it's pretty drastic. Because right now where we're currently sitting at, we're down here, lows for today so far, 583. But the all-time highs, let's see, how high did we get? 25,027. So the fact that we dropped already like that keeps people on their toes. Keeps people on their toes. Looks like the bear flag's getting ready to pay. Let's see if we get more momentum here. No, I agree. All my trades are normally between 10 seconds to maybe a minute tops. I don't like holding. I go for good profits and then I close out quickly. We trade with prop firms, so for me personally, if I'm able to add 300 to 1,000 per account, I'm trading probably about 5 funded accounts. So, but don't just be short biased, man. You gotta do both. There's plenty of ways to make money in both directions. We're just looking for certain patterns, and when we see the patterns with momentum, we execute. All right. Let me switch this music. G, do you have any big plans for the weekend, sir?
Not really.
Okay.
Cool.
Nothing's wrong with that. All right, we're coming up to the... Ooh, let's see. Coming up to that 569 level. That would be my next target here. Okay. Yeah, I'll keep that in mind. For us, we're using momentum and flags, and that's what's helped my community get their funded accounts with these prop firms, everything like that. And it's how I've been able to secure payouts every single month from prop firms as well with the strategy that we're using. But no, I'll definitely keep that in mind, Pawn. And if you're not already subscribed, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Love to have you join us on the YouTube streams. We stream Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. till about 11:30ish, depending upon the market. Okay. Yeah, we're more 50-50 for how we're trading. All right, there's that 569 level we just broke. Let's see if we pop up and keep it going down. Didn't get the follow through I wanted right there. Let's see. I'll hold it for another second or two. And then I'll close it. I'll close it right there. 1,500 in this account. We're traded for, so not a bad little trade right there. Not a bad trade right there. We'll take that. Pawn, how long have you been trading for? Let's see what we get. Let's see if we actually build out a bear flag now. With that push down, it's pretty strong. I want to see another flag. So let's see if we pop up here. Before we keep going down, I want to see it pop up. Nice. The flags work. The flags work. It doesn't matter what you're trading. The flags always work. And since we pair it with momentum, it's a hack. It's a hack at the end of the day. Still going lower. I could have held that trade longer, but it is what it is. Let me see if I can clean up. I'm not sure if I hit my max loss today. Not max loss, but let's see if I can clean this one up. Because if I can't, I only have like $100 or less left on this before it'll lock me out for the day where I had to come back. All right, so we went through the first target I had on my chart. Next target now is 481. 481 is the next target. Okay, nice. You've been trading longer than I have. I picked up trading a couple years back. I tried it. Lost 10 grand. I put it down. Picked it back up last August. Been trading ever since on this strategy that I put together for myself and my community. So, but very nice. 3 or 4 years. That means you're a vet. Do you trade with prop firms or are you trading your own money? Gee, you're all quiet, man. You good over there? I know Steve's not with us right now.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm right here. Oh, you talking to me?
Huh? No, I'm talking to the chat because you don't want to talk to me right now. I get it. You know, I get it. I get it, G. It's okay.
Where is Steve?
He said he was gonna have to pop off.
Oh, okay.
But he would like jump back on and check in if we're still on. You know what I'm saying? So.
All right. I'm chilling. I'm looking to see, jump in.
Yeah, I'm waiting because
I'm looking at the EMA. It's under it, so I'm seeing a downtrend, and that's what I've been doing lately. So.
Yeah, I want to see if we build out another flag or not. Because on this one, I have to be extremely careful. This is one of my fundeds. Took a bad trade on this morning. But I just want... it may not even let me take a trade. So when I do try taking it, I gotta make sure it's a
good one.
good move. Yeah.
I was on this way back up for a little bit. We'll see after this. 12 seconds.
Okay. That's cool, Pawn.
I see that on the EMA. I see it's under it. So I think it's still gonna go down.
Yeah. Well, right now I'm just waiting to see if we build out another flag. That's what I'm waiting for. Pawn, we trade with Tradeify, funding ticks. Well, my community trades with Tradeify and funding ticks. I trade with Apex, Tradeify, funding ticks, and Take Profit Trader.
And how is the Take Profit? I want to try that one too.
I don't recommend it until you're hitting it. You know what I'm saying? I don't recommend it until you're hitting.
Gotcha.
I did just have a 2K payout get denied by Apex. Slightly annoying. So this month alone, I've had $6,000 denied by Apex on multiple accounts. So think about just focusing on the Tradeify, funding ticks, and Take Profit. If we get through this line, I'm probably going to take another short here.
On the sell, right?
Yeah. Potentially. I got to see the follow through.
Yeah, that 543, right? Listen, once I can get to that 540, it looks like it wants to go low though, but.
Have you gotten payouts with Top Step in them? I know you're funded with a couple of them. Never traded Top Step.
What's Top Step?
It's another prop firm. One of the guys on the YouTube stream. They trade with a couple of different ones as well. Had that slight consolidation right there.
Knew it was gonna go up. I thought it was gonna dip. I was about to do a little quick short.
Yeah. Just being cautious. Buyers start trying to buy it up right here. If the bulls don't push it, or the bears don't push it, then I'm gonna be waiting.
We're way below the 15-minute mark, right?
Yeah, we're well below now.
Gotcha. So, like I said, once I see that, I know the market is on the down.
Yeah. Well, we're getting ready to hit that target again that I had on my chart at the 539 level. So I want to see us push through there for a potential short.
Okay. That last pivot, I see 520.
I feel that one, Pawn, because like I said, this month I've had $6,000 denied by Apex, which is crazy. Do you trade the NQ as well, or are you trading like the ES or something for futures?
But he says on Top Step, you don't have to worry about denials.
Yeah, I may have to look in Top Step a little bit. I've never checked their platform out. All right, tapping that level again. So let's see what we get. If the momentum pushes us through, I'll take a quick short if I can on this account. That's why I gotta be very skillful. Let's see. I need to move. It's already 10:34. Want to get below that target. Okay, nice, nice. I haven't traded the gold or oil. I'm right now. I've learned the NQs, so that's the one I focus on. Yeah, I'm normally trading 4 contracts on the NQ. Hey, that's right. The person in the YouTube said 200 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. That's can't agree more. That's your saying. My saying is $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. Still waiting for this move here. Feel like we're watching paint dry slightly, but we're waiting. We're waiting. This is one thing you actually get paid very well to wait. For the people on YouTube, welcome to the stream. We trade futures over here, specifically the NQ, Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. till about 11:30, depending upon the market. You will hear other voices jump in and out of the stream. Those are members of the Legacy Wealth Society, a private community I put together to help new traders and seasoned traders actually make real profits from the markets. Since over 95% of traders actually fail, I'm trying to break that and make it where more traders are winning than losing. All right, we're starting to push up here. Let's see if we get up to that potential, that low, that 15-minute. Just waiting here. I want to see how this 5-minute closes. It's Friday. I'm excited. It's Friday.
Right.
Make some money. Enjoy the weekend. As long as we're green for the day, that's all that matters to me today. I want to clean this account up right here, but just haven't had the opportunity to yet.
Trying to wait for this setup to bring this account down.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying not to FOMO into a trade right now. Well, I want to click the button. G. But I'm trying not to right now. I got to see the perfect move. In the way that this five...
used to be like a little bullish flag, right? Like it was like on the up.
I'm looking at the 5. I'm trying to look at some higher time frames.
So on that, ooh. Well, it's looking... Both candles are power.
That's my issue right here. Because for that bear flag, we had to push up before we keep going down. So I'm just like patiently waiting. I see this really good momentum where I want to jump in on it.
On a sell or a buy?
For a buy, because bulls are pushing hard right there. All right. Just tap the low of the 15-minute range right there. Tap that 21 EMA. Let's see how we react now. We have that pivot point right above us as well at the 617 level. And we know that's acting as a magnet. Yeah. All right. So couldn't trade it.
Darn it.
Couldn't trade it. Very disappointing. Let me rotate back to the other account then. Since I'm not trading the other funded Tradeify, since we already locked in that $1,500 payout with them. Feel like that pivot has to get touched. Added a little bit more right there. Nothing crazy. Now I'm just going to wait, see if we get some more momentum here. Patiently waiting for another move here. Patiently waiting. We got to touch that pivot. At this point, we're so close to it. All right, there we go. Just tap that pivot. We got the VWAP above us, 637 area. Let's see how we react, because right now the bulls are trying to stay in control. Not trying to go long, and then we start to come back down to this pivot point. So I'm gonna wait. Let's see if we bounce back down to this pivot. Bulls are just pushing. I want to jump in, but keywords, but
on the buy, right?
Yeah, I want to jump in on the buy, but there's no opportunity to jump in.
It looks like it's gonna go there. It's over the EMA.
Okay.
So it's on the up. It should go up for the time being right now. Yep.
All right, there we go. Coming back down to that pivot point. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see that pullback right there. So we'll definitely take that. Hey, I feel that one. Today has been pretty back and forth upon. But glad you're trading multiple accounts. I feel like that's such a hack for trading with prop firms. Trading multiple accounts so that way you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Well, we just tapped that close from yesterday. We have the VWAP right above us. So just waiting to see if we get a flag, something like that, to keep us pushing. All right, pushing above that VWAP.
Like a quick 250 right there.
Go ahead, sir. Good job, G. Congratulations.
So trying to bring that account down a little more.
Yeah.
If I can get it back in the green, that'll be good. That'll be good too.
No, 100%.
Be good too. Cause I'm doing if I was doing the 4, man, I'm probably through the account already.
Hey, man, trading the higher contracts. You gotta be built different. You gotta be built different.
Like if I see stuff, if I like, oh, okay, it's about to do a big hit. Oh man, like yesterday, you saw what I posted yesterday?
Yeah.
No less than 10 minutes before I went to go pick up my client. I was just waiting, and I saw, and it did an uptrend, and I caught it going up, and it was just.
Yep.
I was like, oh. I was like, you know what? And if I stayed, I could have got more.
Yeah.
But I had to go pick up my client.
Yeah, at least you're able to put that in the account yesterday. You know, I love seeing that in the discussion. You know, I like seeing when you guys are winning.
What is that for you?
I'm waiting. I'm waiting for another move here. I'm trying to get this account. I'm done trading my fundeds for the day.
Hey, gentlemen, I'm back.
Oh, Steve, you're back. Welcome back, sir. We were waiting for you.
I'm sure you were.
I told G I can't get off the stream until Steve comes back.
That one time I got off the stream and came back, and it was like MySpace 20 years ago. Like nobody was on. I'm like, what happened?
Yeah, I remember that one.
I think it's about to shoot up, guys.
Okay. Yeah, actually, I'll have to check that out. Like, always interested to see how other things are moving for the markets. So I'll definitely look at gold, see how that's moving.
Does the leveraging work the same on the gold trading?
I'll have to do some research on that one. But someone in the chat on YouTube trades gold in the MNQ. So all right.
God, it did that drop.
Drop it like it's hot.
Well, we see the momentum. Let's see what we get here. Almost tapped the low of that 15-minute range. Patiently waiting. Are we going to go up and touch that pivot point, reject off of that, and take us down lower?
So it's like through the pivot point, through the AMA, and chill it.
Sellers trying to step in here. I'm tempted to take it short, but I want to see some structure. That's my issue. I want to see structure. Give me a little pop up, build out, then drop us. For the people on YouTube, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe if you want to see trading every single day, Monday through Friday. All right, there's some good follow through right there. Willing to risk a little bit since this account's up for the day. Let's see if we get the follow through here.
Where do you think we're going, sir?
I feel at least back down to the first original target. Not liking that movement right there. May close this one out here. Did not like that price movement.
Consolidating for the waterfall.
If we don't push through right here, I'm just closing this one. Getting stuck right there. I don't like us getting stuck. All right, the bear's going to finally push it. Yeah, here comes some follow through, hopefully.
Come on.
The battle's real. The battle is real.
Yes. Keep going.
I closed out. Not trying to hold it. Even if it goes lower, not trying to hold that one. Didn't like the movement.
Well, it's kind of meandering too much. Like,
Yeah, that's why.
Go.
That's why I jumped out of it.
Now look at it go down.
As far as leverage. Okay.
See that?
Let's see if we're going to have another opportunity to jump in on this one. My target's 539. 539. Still going.
And we'll build a flag and then head south.
Yep. I'm waiting for it. I probably got another 10, 15 minutes left on the stream today. I got to go handle payroll for one of my businesses. So, got to get with my managers, all that stuff, so they can get everyone paid out today. Man, I'm there with your was a short as well, but if I was flattering the moment. Yep, the momentum, man. The momentum works. Let's see if we build out this flag now. Give us the flag. Give me the flag. I only got like 12, 13 more minutes left on the stream. I need a flag. I just need one more little flag.
What's forming the bear?
Yeah, I want to see a slight push up to build out a nice little bear flag for us. But I don't want it going too high here.
Yeah, I'm doing it. So go ahead and back to the EMA.
Look like it wants to.
Is anybody doing anything fun this weekend?
Let's see. Nothing on my end this weekend. Go probably just watch some football, hang out with the family, grill, jump in the pool with the kids, all that good stuff.
What about you, G?
I'm chilling like a villain.
Mm-hmm.
If there's 90 rejection, we could see a big drop. That's what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for.
See, that needs to be one of those things. Like Duane has to have these like little sound bites, like "sucker," and then that's what I'm looking for. You know what I mean? And then that way it's just like let's class up the joint.
Yep.
Are we heading back to the EMA? That's $1 million.
Well, I honestly want us to get rejected off the low of that 15-minute range.
Yeah.
To give me the warm and fuzzies.
I'm with you. I know you're going for the A++, but I'm just looking at reality.
It's getting closer, though. It's getting closer to it, though.
Almost there.
Mm-hmm. Drop.
Hey, Duane, did you have a chance to look at those new release things? Because it said you could put hot buttons on your mouse for chart trading.
I did not get a chance to handle that. Yes, look at that. Was
if that's the case, I might get one of those like gaming mouse with like 6 buttons. You know?
Yeah.
I mean?
Well, for me on this mouse, this is old faithful for me. Like I would put these as my hot buttons just to close. If I could get one of these just for the close, that'd be perfect.
Well, you can assign like a hot button is what I was saying. So you do, yeah. In case of emergency, break glass.
Yep. Actually, I should get something like that and put it on the wall or put it behind me. You know what I'm saying?
Let's put an old fire alarm like the school style on the wall. So when you're in a bad trade and you grab it, it's like, ring.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're still on this new panel. What's gonna happen?
Just waiting. We did not get down to that 539 level, which I was looking for the short. So, just waiting to see what flag we get, what momentum, so we can take another trade. All right, just tap the low of that 15, tap that 21 EMA as well right there. Let's see if we reject off of it and take us back down here. If we get above this 21 EMA, we're going back to that pivot point. And that pivot is at 617. 617 for the pivot.
I'd agree.
Since we know it's a magnet calling the market.
Oh, I was talking and it was muted, but since I updated, my ATM strategy is doing something weird. Like when I close out, it resets a buy order, like when I'm in a short.
Okay.
So, I mean, I took my ATM off. I don't use it all the time, but
yeah.
It bit me today because it immediately put that in. I wouldn't want to be in the market, and it bought more contracts. So, here we go. Come on. We're going to go.
Did not like how we just pushed right back up like that.
Let's see what this next 1 minute candle does. I got my doodles in play. Hey, Duane, I just want to say again, it's kind of just how appreciative I am. I speak for the group that you're like letting us trade with you and teaching you.
No, like I'm all for all of us winning at the end of the day. So.
And I know that because I know you in real life, and that's like real you, man.
Just want to see us win. That's it.
No, that's very much appreciated. That's all I'm gonna say. Because otherwise you'll mute me.
No, I only mute people when they're on the phone. That's the only time I'm muting.
Yeah, but sometimes like, man, I'm not on the phone. I'm just kidding.
Coming up to this 11 o'clock hour. Should get a little bit more movement. Gotta wait till about 5:30 today to request that $1,500 from Tradeify, and it'll be in the account probably by 7 o'clock or a little bit before that. So yeah, we'll definitely take that.
I'm doubling down on what I said. You got to do like a short video that directs people to the other video where you kind of explain the Apex thing.
Yeah.
And then and then anything going forward, I would say you're rejected again. Boom. Maybe go into like some facts that you could show without compromising stuff.
Yeah.
Because I mean, it's just like people need to know that. You know what I mean? It's like Legacy Wealth Society is not just some trading system. It's like you're showing people a roadmap forward, and there's a roadblock. I mean, Legacy Wealth Society is the apex. So
yep.
We have Tradeify we're working with, and it just like, but there's a reason for that.
Give me the follow through. Let's go. Unbelievable. Let's see what we get.
It's doing double buys every time I do things.
Yeah, that's weird.
Like literally. I'm going to take a minute, get out of this, and I'm going to DM you what it just did, because it's
okay.
Like, it's worked out in this case, but it's kind of like, it's kind of like when your car, you know, doesn't hit the tree but still goes off the track. It's still like, what is going on?
Looking at this chart, man, y'all see a bear printing or?
I jumped in early.
Right. I see the setup.
So I'm annoyed with myself right now. Because it's getting ready to push up before it comes down.
Oh, wait. It looked like about to touch that 582, then doof, right there. All right, keep going.
Let's see if we get the follow through. Need the follow through right now. Get me out of the straight and the green. Got rejected right there again. Let's see if the Bears finally have what they need to push it.
Come on.
No. They have to punch through this level, or else I'm just going to close. Consolidating right there. Should have never jumped in on this trade. I'm trying to wait for the follow through, but if the follow through doesn't happen, I'm just going to kill this one. Straight craziness. Just craziness. Oh, click the wrong button. Right back to that 21 EMA.
Yep, right there.
Yo.
Well, it is officially 11:04. Requesting a payout today from Tradeify, so no complaints there. And we'll be back first thing on Monday, 9:20 a.m. to trade the funded accounts, to trade some potential Apex accounts. We'll see. I'll shoot that video today about the denial, because we should talk about that.
And then check that thing I DM'd you, because I showed you how it just jumped right back in.
Yeah, Pawn, I'm definitely going to check it out. And Steve, I'll actually check that out right now on stream with you. Let's see what you sent. Can you guys see in the community the new tab for the discount codes?
I haven't looked.
Yeah, just check it out.
I will. I'll go there right now.
Okay, looking at what you sent me.
That was just like a quick scalp, and it turned into 2.
Yeah.
And the market reversed, so it worked. But that was not my intention. And then before, it was doing that with the ATM strategy. So it'd have the, it'd have the limits and all that, right?
Yeah.
And I'm just hitting, buy, ask, and sell bid. So
That's weird. Yeah, just check your strategy on that one.
That last one, I didn't have any strategy, and it still did it. So I took it off. So
okay, yeah, that's weird. That's weird.
That's just like, you do you, Steve. You find all the trouble.
Well,
I'm looking on the app, and generally welcome live trading 101 discussion in the vault. Let me see.
There should be a new tab saying discount codes.
I am not seeing it on my physical app.
Okay, let me. I'll make sure it's visible.
Yeah, just make sure it's visible, and then keep in mind, like, after the vault in its standard order, that's the last of the page. So you might want to make sure that's ordered in such a way, like, so it's not hidden behind that, so people don't scroll.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll check to make sure that one's added to the ones you guys can see. It's just showing the codes for funding ticks and Tradeify.
Yeah, and I'm looking actually at my online on Chrome browser, and I'm not seeing it either. So it's probably not visible yet.
1 second, let me do this. Well, that shows it's there. All right. So now check it. It should potentially be there now.
Oh yeah, yes. It just populated.
All right, cool.
Online on Chrome. Let me look on the app.
No, if it's online, you'll see it on your app as well.
Okay, listen. I'm just trying to be I'm trying to be an assistant, and you're treating me like this. No, it's on both. But,
awesome.
But you already knew that, so
I did.
Trying to help. Trying to be the armor bearer, and what's that? You know what that is.
Yeah, Duane, I see you posted the Tradeify code just at 15 hours ago.
Yeah, there's a new tab in the community for discount codes. So any codes we get, they'll go in there. So you guys always have it.
Okay, I see the tab. I see the tab now. I see it.
So awesome. Well, everyone, I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you're on YouTube, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Come join us on Monday. We're going to have a blast. And if you want to make real profits from the markets, you've come to the right place. I don't have a Lamborghini. I'm not trying to sell you a course. You can watch for free on YouTube, learn. And if you want to join the community, you can, but you'll have to go through that process. We just don't let anyone in the community. With that being said, everyone, have a great rest of your day, weekend. Stay safe in the markets if you're still trading. And I'll see all you guys on Monday. All right, Steve, G, Legacy. Appreciate you guys.
Later on. Thank you both. Take it easy, G.
All right, guys. Have a good one.
All right, bye.